Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Traveling with Ivan. If you're new here, my name is Ivan. On this channel, I travel throughout Colombia and around the world, staying in hotels, exploring cities, eating at local spots, and most importantly, showing you the real experience, the good, the bad, and sometimes the uncomfortable truth. Before we get into today's video, do me a quick favor and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads. Your support truly helps the channel grow. Now, this video is not easy one to make because today I'm talking about why I would never return to Santa Marta, Colombia, and that honestly hurts to say. Santa Marta should be one of the crown jewels of Colombia. It has the Caribbean Sea, beautiful mountains, rich history, and world-class beaches nearby. On paper, this city should be unstoppable. It should be one of the most beautiful coastal destinations in South America. But the reality I experienced was very different. From the moment I arrived, the disappointment started to set in. The city felt chaotic, neglected, and run down. Garbage piled on sidewalks, trash scattered near beaches, broken roads and cracked sidewalks everywhere you walk, buildings that look abandoned, crumbling, or halfway falling apart. And this wasn't just one bad street or one unlucky neighborhood. This was visibly across large parts of the city, including areas that are supposed to be tourist friendly. Taganga was the first moment on this trip where I felt relief. The views were beautiful, the water was calm, and the atmosphere was relaxed. It felt like the Santa Marta everyone talks about. For a brief moment, you can see the potential of what this region can be. Taganga proves that Santa Marta can be incredible. It shows what's possible when nature and tourism align properly. Unfortunately, Taganga felt like an exception rather than the standard. As I continued exploring the city, the contrast became more painful. Santa Marta is one of the most historically important cities in Colombia. This is where Simón Bolívar, the liberator of much of South America, spent his final days. This is sacred ground in Colombia history, a place that should be treated with immense respect, preservation, and pride. Yet the historical significance feels underwhelming, underfunded, and underappreciated. You don't feel immersed in the history. You don't feel that sense of honor and legacy that the city like this deserves. It's shocking that a city tied so deeply to Simón Bolívar. Buildings that haven't been maintained in decades standing next to newer developments. There's no consistency, no long-term vision, no sense of direction. And that's the most frustrating part. This city has everything it needs to succeed. Santa Marta could be easily the Miami Beach of Colombia. Think about it. Caribbean coastline, palm trees, warm weather year-round, mountains in the background, sunsets over the ocean. This could be a luxury destination, a cultural hotspot, a place where people from all around the world dream of visiting. Instead, it feels like a massive missed opportunity. This city has also produced legends like Carlos El Pibe Valderrama, one of the most iconic soccer players in Colombia's history, Radamel Falcao, a global football star who represented Colombia on a world stage. A city that gave Colombia icon that deserves better. Let me be very clear. This video is not an attack on the people of Santa Marta. The people are warm, friendly, and resilient. This is about the leadership, planning, and accountability. As a traveler, I judge a city by how it makes me feel when I leave. And when I left Santa Marta, I didn't feel inspired. I didn't feel excited to return. I felt sad. Sad that so much potential is being wasted. Sad that such natural beauty is overshadowed by neglect. One area that does deserve to be mentioned is the historic district of Santa Marta. This was where you can actually feel what the city once was and what it still has potential to be. Walking through the historic center, you immediately notice the colonial architecture, the older buildings, and the sense of history that surrounds you. This is one of the oldest cities in Colombia and is the part of the town that history is visible. You can feel this area as more identity, more soul, and more effort put into than other parts of the city. The main square, especially around El Parque de los Novios, and the surrounding plazas is where Santa Marta feels the most alive. At night, the square fills with people. You see local, tourists, families, couples, street performers, music, and a real social atmosphere. This area feels like the heart of the city. This is also where I had some of my best experiences with food. The food in Santa Marta was actually good, and some of the restaurants in the historic district were very nice. Well-designed spaces, good service, and solid menus. A few of the restaurants could easily compete with places in Medellin and Bogota. Sitting down for a good meal in this area almost makes you forget the problems outside. That said, even in a historic district, the experience is inconsistent. You'll see a beautiful restored building right next to one that's falling apart. Clean streets on one block, trash on the next. It consistently feels like the city is halfway there. Like it wants to be great, but never fully commits. The historic district shows Santa Marta's potential more than other parts of the city. It's proof that with proper investment, care, and leadership, Santa Marta could truly become something special. The final moment that truly stayed with me was the sunset. The sunset was second and last, truly beautiful about this trip. As the sun went down, the city transformed for a moment. The sky turned golden, the ocean reflected the light, and everything felt peaceful. In that moment, Santa Marta shows you what it could be. All right, guys, that sums up this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Let me know your experience. See you in the next video.